welcome back to our channel. We're glad you're here today. We're going to be making two different kinds of cookies today. We're going to be making chocolate chip as well as oatmeal raisin with a little bit of a chocolate chip surprise. So we're going to be traveling this weekend and we decided to make a few extra cookies to take along to share with our family and for them to enjoy as well. So before we go over our ingredients, we're going to ask you guys if you can like this video and share and also comment on our videos, guys. And if you subscribe to our channel as well, that will be great. We appreciate all of your support. All right, y'all, so let's see what we're going to be putting into our delicious cookies. All right, first starting over here with our oatmeal raisin cookies, we have some cinnamon there, a little bit of salt, baking soda. We have some white sugar, brown sugar, raisins, and our chocolate chip surprise, and our rolled oats, and we also have some salted butter and a couple of eggs. All right, and moving over here to our chocolate chip cookies, we have 2 sticks of salted butter, our salt, a couple of eggs, and baking soda, our chocolate chips, of course, and brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, and flour is going to go in both our cookies. So we have that sort of right here for you guys. All right, so that's it. Once again, thank you for all of your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start making our cookies. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start with our oatmeal raisin cookies, and the first thing we're gonna do is cream together our butter and our sugar. Okay, so now that our butter and sugars are all mixed and creamy, I'm going to add in our eggs. So we just have 2 eggs we're going to be adding. Alright, so now I'm also going to add my vanilla if I didn't say so a second ago. Alright, y'all, so now we have our dry ingredients in our bowl. This is our flour, our baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. I'm going to mix those up and then incorporate all of those into our wet ingredients. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my oats and my raisins. So we're going to be making, putting about this much in our, for each cookie, or a little bit less even, so we'll see what we get. All right, so we've got our cookies all measured out on our pan here. And these are gonna bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how you like yours. Some people like them more soft or a little bit more brown. So we'll see how it goes. So, all right, we're all done. Let's get these in the oven. All right, y'all, so our oatmeal raisin cookies are out of the oven. They turned out great. They cook for around 12 minutes or so. They're slightly brown, just the way we like them. And while these cool, Ricki's gonna go ahead and prepare our dough for our chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so to start on our chocolate chip cookies, we're gonna start by creaming our butter and sugars together, as usual. All right, as you can see, I'm just scraping down the sides of the bowl, and our butter's nice and creamy. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in our sugars, like I mentioned before. Okay, so next we're gonna do our vanilla and our 2 eggs. So we're just gonna add in our vanilla and then 1 egg at a time. Okay, so now we're going to incorporate our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. Our dry ingredients are flour, baking soda, and salt. Once you add in your flour, you're gonna turn in your mixer. And as soon as you stop seeing little specks of flour, you're gonna turn off your mixer and then move on to the next step. All right, so I've mixed in the dry ingredients until just incorporated. You can still see a little bit of flour around the bowl. So now I'm gonna add in our chocolate chips.
The fun part.
Yes, my favorite part. And we're gonna mix these on low until just incorporated.
So yeah, we mixed those. We just mixed those until they were just combined.
Yes, that was like maybe 5-10 seconds, if that.
You don't want a tough cookie.
Good one, Mom.
Thanks.
All right, so now we're gonna get these onto our cookie sheet. Once again, depending on how big your cookies are, it will affect how many cookies you get out of your recipe.
And how long you cook it.
Right. Okay, so just like the other cookies, we're going to arrange these on here. We're going to make about 12. We'll get a lot more. We'll have a lot more dough left, so we'll just freeze that. But depending on size, their cooking time will vary. So we're going to start at about 9 to 10 minutes for our 12, and if we need to go longer, then we will. Okay, so we have our dough measured out, nice and even. You don't want them, crowding each other, because these will expand a little bit more than the oatmeal raisin cookies will, so keep that in mind. Like I mentioned, we're gonna start at about 9 to 10 minutes for these cookies at 350. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so our cookies cooked for about 10 minutes. They were perfect, just the way we like them. Of course, if you want yours darker, you could just cook them for a little bit longer, but they were soft and chewy and delicious, and the bottoms looked perfect.
Yes.
So make sure you guys leave us a comment, leave us a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
See y'all later.